Manipur Chief Minister Enhancement made Chief of Army Staff General Upendra Dwivedi on Friday at the CM Secretariat to discuss critical issues related to the state's current situation. Enhancement expressed appreciation for the Army Chief's visit and posted on X, stating that they deliberated on critical issues concerning the current state of Manipur and reaffirmed cooperation between the state government and security forces to effectively respond to challenges and maintain peace and harmony. General Dwivedi was accompanied by Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari, General Officer Commanding-in-Chief Eastern Command Lieutenant General Abhijit S. Pendhakar, General Officer Commanding 3 Corps and Major General Rabroob Singh, Inspector General Assam Rifle South. General Dwivedi, who is on a 2-day visit, will also meet top officials and review the security situation in the violence-hit state. Earlier, the Manipur government stated that the law and order situation in the state has improved over the past 3-4 months, but only a few minor incidents reported. This improvement is attributed to the efforts of both state and central governments and the contributions of security agencies. However, the government has recently issued a press release regarding doctor audio clips intended to incite communal violence and disrupt peace initiatives. An FIR has been registered and an investigation is ongoing. The government has also noted the circulations of similar content on social media and through certain news agencies.